So I've got my Bluetooth speaker here. Now this was gifted to me so I could show you everything that it comes with and the features about this. So when you do receive it, it does come with a charging cord here, the Type-C. Also comes with an auxiliary cord so you can put in an additional source here other than maybe a Bluetooth. And the way you would do that is right here. There's your auxiliary input and also our Type-C to go ahead and charge it. You'll notice right away we've got some different colors here. It does have 8 LED modes. Now you can change these lights or turn them off by the controls right here. M is mode, so if you press that, it's going to go ahead and cycle through all those. Eventually it's going to get to a point where you can go and just turn them off like that, or at any time you can always just double click it by doing this, and then it's off. Also here, this is our power. We got plus and minus through here, so it allows you to go ahead and, of course, and change the volume. And with these two buttons here, we can also advance or go backwards on the music. So it's super easy to use that way too. And then we have a blue light here, let me know that it's all Bluetooth. It's connected to my phone. It connected to my phone real easily. As soon as I turn on Bluetooth, I could connect to it with probably in about 10 seconds. Now this speaker is 15 watts. It has 2 speakers, one right around here and the other one here. And it is waterproof. It's IPX4, so if it gets rain on there or it's splashed by the pool, no problem whatsoever. It does have kind of a silicone feel around it, so it feels real nice, easy to grab, non-slip on the bottom here. But I was listening to it yesterday over by my desk, so it works great inside and outside. Hope you found this helpful.